Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bags and Cooks. Today I've come up again with another recipe that is how to make a non-bagged cheese cream cake. But before I proceed further, I would like to request you to please watch my video till the end patiently so that you will not miss out any of the ingredients that I'll be using as I proceed further. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have taken around 25 pieces of Oreo biscuits. But before I start crushing them, I'm going to separate the creams first. In this way, I've separated. I'll show you how I have separated. With the help of a knife, I'm going to remove the cream like this. So I'm done separating the cream. Now let's crush the Oreo biscuits. You can see how nicely I've crushed them, isn't it? So I'm going to put into this baking mold. I have placed a parchment paper here. This is a detachable baking mold. Now I'm going to put the crushed Oreos into this, and I'm adding around 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to give a thorough mix now. They're well combined. Now with the help of a steel glass, I'm going to press like this. We can even press with the help of a spoon also. So it's done. Now I'm going to keep it in the fridge for around 10 to 15 minutes. Here I take around 150 ml of whipping cream. I'm going to pour into this bowl and whip for around 2 minutes. I'm going to add the creams which I have separated from the Oreo cookies. So let's beat for around 2 minutes. Now I add the cheese cream. This I have made at home, the cheese cream. In my next video, I'll show you how to make cheese cream at home. Now I'm going to beat for another 3 minutes. After beating for 3 minutes, you can see how creamy and fluffy it looks, isn't it? Into this, I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat this for around 1 minute. Now I'm going to divide the cheese cream into 2 portions. So here I have divided. In one of the portions, I'm going to add cocoa powder. So here I add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix it thoroughly. So there are 2 varieties. This is the cocoa powder cheese cream and the other one is simple cheese cream. I've taken out the mold from the fridge. It's nicely set. So first, let's put the cocoa powder cheese cream. And on top of this, I'm going to put the plain cheese cream. I'm going to level it with the help of this spatula. Now I'm going to keep it in the fridge for around 5 to 6 hours. So after keeping for around 5 hours, I've taken out from the fridge just now. I'll unmold and show you. Here it is. I have garnished with some sliced kiwi fruit. You can decorate with any fruits of your choice. I'll cut a slice and show you. Here it is. Our Oreo non-baked cheese cream cake. It looks so mouth-watering, isn't it? I've drizzled some melted chocolate, you can see. Now it looks more attractive, right? So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.